Hey guys, today I'm here to give you the very quick talk on and comparison video of the Huawei latest flagship model Huawei Mate60Pro and Huawei Mate60Pro Plus, and also Mate60. So here are three models in front of us, from left to right, from the basic to the high to the middle and to the highest specification one. And for these three models, all of them support the Beidou satellite communication, and also they use the own developed chips by Huawei, the Huawei Kirin series. And also this time they have a same screen size, but as we can see from the front camera sensor is different, and all of them use the high-end ID language from Huawei. And this is the Huawei Mate60Pro Plus, and this time to have two colors, the black and the pentacolor, black plus white. And this is the middle Mate60Pro, and it's different, it's just the white, and also is the Mate60, same like the Mate60Pro from the back side, as we can see. And also this time from the Pro Plus, it's have a big improvement compared to the Pro Edition. It used the nanometer mental, and it's used a special black line, as you can see. So this is much more difficult than the traditional technology, so it gives you a special design, special feelings, especially different light. It will have different performance, and also the durability is also improved because it uses second generation cooling glass, and also the super durable leather material with back panel. Here is education about the Mate60Pro Plus. And for the screen, as I mentioned, it's used the same curved screen, and the screen to body ratio is same, and also the screen size is 6.82 inch FHD plus, and support LTPO and 1440 Hz PMW brightness adjustment. And also for front camera, they also same, and the sensor also same. And also we can talk about the camera. This part, the Pro Plus, is used the main 48 megapixel main camera, and 10 times zoom performance, and wide angle 40 megapixel, and long length 48 megapixel. But for the I will say for the 80, it used the 50 megapixel main camera. But for the battery, the Mate Pro Plus used the 5000 battery with 88 watt fast charging, capable fast charging, and 8 watt wireless charging, fast charging. So this is also an improvement compared to basic edition. And also about the camera part, I think though the Mate60 gets a bit bigger megapixel, but the Mate60Pro Plus have a standout improvement. It supports OIS, macro lens, and long lens, so it gets better macro pictures compared to the basic and middle edition. Because for the Mate60, it just get a 50 megapixel main camera, but 12 megapixel wide angle, 12 pixel periscope. So this is a improvement. So the Mate60Pro is used the 48 megapixel main camera, but it's used the Sony IMX789. It's same like the Mate60 Porsche edition. So this is also a good thing. The Mate60Pro supports satellite communication, but for the 60Pro Plus is more powerful. It's supporting not only satellite talking but also message. sorry, I forgot to mention the communication is includes talking and message. So the Pro Plus is much powerful because it also supports message and talking. So this is also improvement compared to the basic edition. Yeah, so this is very quick and very simple hands-on video about on these three devices. Let's enjoy more pictures and thanks for watching. Let's attend the review for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye.